are calling all Indian technologists in London. Want to be part of a supportive community that shares your cultural roots and tech ambitions? The Indian Tech Society event is your answer. This is more than just networking. Connect with inspiring mentors, find references who can offer career opportunities, and meet your career guide who can help you move to the next level of your career. Be part of a community where you can connect with other Indian tech professionals who understand your journey. This is an opportunity to explore partnerships, business collaborations, and who knows, you may find your co-founder or venture partner to make your mark on the UK tech scene. Be part of a community where you lift others and others lift you. And that's your tribe, the Indian Tech Society. What to expect? Meaningful conversations. Dive into shared experiences, exchange valuable insights, and offer mutual support. Delicious Indian snacks. Enjoy authentic flavors that warm your heart and fuel your connections. 3 hours of engagement. Make lasting connections with dedicated networking time. Don't miss out. Spaces are limited. Secure your ticket today to become part of something extraordinary. Together, let's build a community where no one feels alone. We uplift and empower each other.